An Indiana Marital Settlement Agreement documents the rights and obligations of each spouse following the legal dissolution of their marriage. It's commonly used to distribute shared property, address financial and parental responsibilities, as well as lay out any other divorce conditions. In this video, we'll focus on the importance of Indiana marital settlement agreements, some key legal requirements, and how to obtain an official and fillable template. First, let's begin by discussing the importance of an Indiana marital settlement agreement. The marital settlement agreement outlines the basic terms of the divorce agreement, such as the division of shared property. The agreement is essential to establishing the distribution of such assets, alimony and/or child support, among many other terms and conditions. A mutually agreed upon settlement is crucial when filing for an uncontested divorce, as it includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details surrounding the divorce, can avoid a formal, lengthy trial in court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets including real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all party signatures, is often required by the court when filing for a dissolution of marriage or civil union, can be kept if approved as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. It's in the best interest of each spouse and their legal representation to reach an arrangement by using this agreement, provided the couple see eye to eye on the terms. The process will be quicker and more affordable this way, since a divorce trial can be avoided. Now, let's review some of the legal requirements in Indiana. Indiana is one of the 41 states that have enacted equitable distribution laws. Equitable distribution is the fair separation of assets, which means it's often not necessarily an equal divide. This dispersion will be left to the discretion of a judge if the spouses are unable to reach a settlement or face a heavily contested divorce. When applying equitable distribution, the courts may take into account the duration of the marriage, what each spouse paid for, employability of each spouse, assets and debts of each spouse or combined, and sources of income and amount. Note that a marital settlement agreement can be used in Indiana to avoid distribution by the courts. If both spouses agree on most terms, they can file a dissolution of marriage and use the agreement to outline the terms of the divorce. Finally, some other legal requirements in Indiana to keep in mind are: one spouse must have resided in the state for at least 6 months prior to filing. One of the spouses must have been a resident of the county where the divorce is filed for 3 months. And all divorce cases won't be official until 60 days have passed since initial divorce documents were submitted. Though an uncontested divorce can be navigated without legal counsel, it's always recommended to have an attorney review the agreement and other divorce documents to ensure all legal requirements are being met. We're eForms, the biggest database of legal documents. We've created an expansive and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the Indiana Marital Settlement Agreement. To get the official template that can be used to file for divorce in your local clerk's office, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.